Guys, we're going with the Hormel chili, no beans. Now you may think that beans belong in chili, but it doesn't. It's okay to be wrong. Let's get that chili spread out evenly on the bottom of the cast iron. Guys, we're doing a little cornbread and chili. Most people just like to dip their cornbread in the chili, but we're gonna put the cornbread on top of the chili. But first we're gonna throw a little smoked sausage into the mix here. Because smoked sausage and chili go together like stuff that goes together. Let's get that worked in a little bit, push down. So we got some meaty chili and we're reinforcing it with a little bit more meat, add that good smoky flavor. Our cornbread of choice, Jiffy, was good enough for your grandparents, it's good enough for you. We're gonna make it according to the directions on the package, pretty simple. Get that 1 egg in there, 1/3 cup of milk. The only thing we're deviating is we're putting a little cheddar jack cheese in there. A little more than a cup's worth. Just get it nice and mixed up, incorporated. Get that batter going. Looks like we're all nice and mixed up. Let's get it on that chili. I'm gonna add just little dollops all the way around instead of trying to straight pour it in. It's pretty separated from the top. We'll be able to better smooth it down. Now we're just gonna slowly work it out to the edges. If it doesn't cover it completely, don't stress out. But we just want to get it as close to the edges as possible without mixing it into the chili. And on the sides, you know, while you're baking it, some of the chili is gonna bubble up, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Okay, looking good, looking good. Last thing, we got some jalapenos here. Let's get on a nice little pattern around there so it looks fancy. You know you gotta make it look fancy for the gram, right? Let's get one right in the middle there. All right, good enough. Guys, this is looking like money in the bank right here. It's ready to go in the oven. Our chili cornbread, or cornbread chili. We'll figure out a name as we go. Anyway, 350, 15-20 minutes till it's nice and golden brown on top, right? It's gonna be amazing. You're gonna wanna make this. Thumbs it up right now, baby. Fresh out the oven. Let's go, baby. Got that golden brown and lovely going on. Oh, we gotta get a spoonful. All right, we got a nice little spoon right here. Just gonna dig out. Nice little helping of our chili cheese cornbread. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. Oh, doesn't that look spectacular? Get a little extra on the plate. All right, y'all, let's get a bite. Got some of that chili, got that cornbread. With that cheese in the cornbread, chili cheese cornbread. I think we got the name, baby. All right. Listen, I know I was pretty harsh earlier about you being wrong if you believe beans should be in chili, but you're wrong. Cheers. Rich and hearty. Meaty. Yeah, this is a perfect fall, winter recipe. Perfect for the game. Everybody will love this. Because baby, you know what's good?